Like, we're really upping our game this year when it comes to hot freaking makeup. Oh my gosh. What's up, beautiful crazies? It's your geek friend Severin, and welcome back to my channel. And oh my god, I have officially painted on my face for the third time in this video series, but it's like a full effing paint on face. Now, honest to goodness, I'm not mad at it. It's not terrible. This is like a stage performance that I would love to wear. You know, the nutcracker, the nutcracker, the nutcracker. Why am I hitting myself? Ow! I'm excited because this is my first effing like face paint transformation, and I was kind of inspired by Made You Looks Lex because she is boss bae when it comes to makeup art. This is exciting, this is exciting, this is exciting. I played with so many new things in this, and I am so actually kind of proud of myself. So I hope that you guys actually like this transformation, and I hope that you guys kind of want to try it out yourselves. But we're going to try it out anyway because here comes the tutorial. Ready? Let's go.
Hi. How you doing? Livia's darn. I'm sorry.
So, there are two sides to this look. The candy cane takeover, and then the glamour cane. I'm going to show you how to do glamour cane on this side, and then candy cane on this side. Let's do it. I'm sorry, I'm looking for stuff. I'm not being trying to be extra, even though I'm like that. I get a percentage. Where's my red? Yo, I've lost my red. Oh my god. Explain, please. Hold on. It is now officially without fail that from now on, every time I start a tutorial, I have to lose something because this is the second time I've lost something before a tutorial, and I'm mad. So, to do our brows, we are going to be using cream makeup. You can use any cream makeup, preferably one that does not agitate your skin. I don't know how my skin is properly being agitated. Mama likes, please do not be mad at me. I actually recommend you guys start with white because personally you do not want the white and the red to mix up together because then you'll end up with like a pink color. But I stupidly started with red, and now one of my lovely little whites kind of has some red in it, but that's okay. We're gonna like fix it later in off camera editing. But basically you want to start with the white because you want to get that white on first, and then you want to go over it with the red. Artist note, you would think after a person who took a year and a half of art class would understand this, but I'm not that good of an artist, so okay, that's a thing. You see this right here? This is an accident. That's a total accident. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean that up and fix it. So here you can technically, and I mean technically as in like little tiny technicalities, you can technically put on eyelashes. But again, I'm mad at makeup. Mad at makeup? I'm bad at makeup. I am very bad at makeup. So instead we're gonna use BAM! Mascara. You can't see it because it refuses to focus. Oh boy, I think this is going to be so bad. I think this is a terrible idea for me to do this. Took a minute, but here's how I did it. So I took liquid latex and I put it on a toothpick. And then I got some cotton. Technically I got it from a cosmetics rounds, but you can use any cotton. And then I took the candy and then I put a glob of liquid latex. Then I put one of the cottons. Then I put another glob of liquid latex, and then I put the cotton. Then I put one less glob of liquid latex, and then I stuck it to my face for like a minute. And it's sticking. Yay! So first thing what I'm going to do first is I'm going to outline the pattern that I want using a brown eyeshadow. Lex does the same thing, so I'm like, maybe that's how I should probably do it. Also, I need to kind of see where I want this to be because if I try to freehand this, I know I'm going to mess it up. So let's not freehand it and let's actually draw where we want it to be. Next, I'm going to fill in with white first because I wanted to get the white out of the way because apparently I'm going to mix colors terribly, as you guys might see through the rest of this tutorial. I tried really hard not to, but I'm doing this for the first time, so, you know. learning. Once you've gotten the white in, you're gonna go back with the red, and you are going to fill in the empty space with the red, the negative space. You know, this is where your art class comes into play. This is like the most intense masquerade mask off the face of the planet, and I kind of love it. So I don't continue to look like a fool on camera, I'm going to actually paint the rest of my lips red. So when I originally started this tutorial, I was going to just have like one part red and the rest of the part like painted like a mask. But then as I started to paint with the white, I realized I kind of liked the idea of my lips kind of being out, like parts of my body kind of showcasing through the mask. So I wanted to keep my lips red. So we're going to just use this red, any red, honestly. You can use any red that you want to just, you know, fill in your lips. This is actually coming out really cool. So now to clean up my eyes, I'm going to go back over with mascara. And we're just going to go over my lashes because I wanted my lashes to be a little bit blacker. I'm going to now shade my eyes to give it a cat eye effect on this side as well. Just because I feel like it. I don't know if it shows up on camera, and if it does, this is why I'm doing this, but the white personally is starting to crack and it's kind of annoying me. Also, it doesn't look perfect. I don't know if it translates well on camera, but we're gonna find out together. So what I've done to give the white a little bit more of a texture is to also put like little green stripes. It's the green stripes that you guys see behind me, and also that you guys saw at the beginning of the video, because I wanted this video, sorry I'm burping, to kind of have a little bit more definition, because again, first time painting, don't know what I'm doing, doesn't look half bad, but I can't believe I actually did this. And quite frankly, I'm not too mad at it. I'm not too proud of it, but I'm not too mad at it. But you know what? I'm proud of this. I'm kind of freaking happy about this. Comment down in the comment box below. Is this a stupid look? Is this a fun look? Would you actually wear this to a masquerade ball? And if you did, could you make it better, please? So that way I can learn how to do it better. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow for day number 5 of the 5 Look Christmas. Yeah. I will catch you beautiful crazies in the next video. So, peace, love, and happiness. Live on.